Good morning, Don here. It is 4:30 in the morning, Monday. There's the gas prices. 384.9 credit. How long are we going to be able to see it below $4 is beyond me. Anyway, there's the rig. And there's the name. Super Blast. On my way to Carrabba's in Clearwater, Florida. Then I got to go to Ameritech in Tampa, pick up a couple things, fill up with SH. Then I have a pool cage to do. Then I have a house to do. Big 3-car driveway to do. And then I have another house to do that's being worked on to be flipped over by a buddy of mine that does a lot of flippets. Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Good morning. Most of you are still sleeping, but one of us has to get up early, right? Get after it. Good morning, Don here. You know, one thing for sure is a good feature on your rig is to make sure you have lights. Let's get after it. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. Let's have a look, okay? There's the sidewalks. They're looking great. This spot here, you can see, that's the delivery and pickup entrance, so it's always going to have that stain in the concrete. As you see, the concrete's not dirty. It just has foot traffic. You know, you got to probably 500, 600 times a day somebody's walking in that spot. We got another thing we got to do back here. This is the only one like it, but the dumpster is indoors. You got to come in here and clean all this out. Now I'm here every 4 weeks, so this place stays pretty damn clean. Anyway, I got to lock this thing up before we get going. Want me to lock this? Yeah. You heard the man. Got to lock it up. Well, we got an employee here from Carrabba's. You know how dirty this gets. How good does a Super Blast do?
Great.
Great. You heard it. Get your restaurant clean. Super Blast. I'm Don. Get after it. Hey, Don here. We're at job number 2. Here's Rick. He's a very regular customer every year. Nice little pool cage. We just have some basic mold buildup on the doors and a little bit of the cage, you know what I mean? This is very easy work to do, man. And we got weeds and mold. There's the crazy ass homeowner right there. Hey, what do you think about Super Blast pressure washing, bro?
What?
What do you think about Super Blast?
What do you mean supervise?
Super Blast.
Super Blast, they're fantastic.
There you go, supervise.
He's on my permanent list.
He said he wants to supervise.
I'm gonna see this guy once a year for the rest of my life.
There you have it.
He's the man. I mean, I have a honey-do list, man, that does work for me. And I've got a big pressure washer, 4,000-pound pressure washer. I used to do it. I don't do it anymore. I don't even let my honey-do list man do it because it would take him a couple of days and it wouldn't come out that good and would cost a hell of a lot more than Super Blast.
Well, there you have it.
Go for it.
There you have it, man.
Really?
All right, let's finish the job review. All right. We got weeds out here. We're going to mow the yard, right?
Weeds are gonna get popped out.
All right, we'll get the weeds out of here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm done. Let's get after it, all right? Hey, Don here. Let's have a quick look. Everything came out really nice. All the mold's gone. The weeds are gone. And there you have it. Wait for it. You know what to do, right? What are we gonna do? We're gonna get after it. And remember, always remember, don't touch my shit. Get after it. Hey, Don here, Super Blast. Here I am at the mobile home park again. Here's my job. This is a regular customer, so the place isn't that dirty. They do it every year. You can just see at the very top up there, a little bit of mold grows. This is the north side. For the most part, this thing's very clean. Got some mold on the top. These things just get a little dingy and dirty. Yeah, it's moldy up there. And we got some growing here. Anyway, on the way over here, I was thinking, you know, some men become kings of a palace. Some men become kings of a castle. Me, I'm king of the mobile home park. And you know what? Some of us just gotta get after it. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. I got a regular customer. Dan, tell us what you think about Super Blast pressure washing.
I'm really satisfied. I'd have him come back, and I'd recommend him for you. If you've got a problem with your property, get him over there.
There you have it. Proof's in the pudding. Get after it. All right, I'm gonna read you the job while Dan gets the honey-do list done. Right, Dan?
Yeah, I gotta put stuff back up. I don't know.
Well, I think you should wait until it dries.
Oh, I will.
Because you're gonna get mud all over the place. See, now you can go back
I'll
and
wait.
you can go tell your wife that, and you can go back in and watch TV.
Ain't nothing worth watching anymore.
I know it. It's all ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all that mold gone. Look at that. Got these little pads done. Just the little things that everybody likes. If you do the little teeny things, you know, like do a good job. Look at that. Went ahead and did the porch, did inside, out. You know, I was in there for 5 minutes. The whole job took 55 minutes. You make a good check for that. Everything looks great. Nice and clean. Look how white that is up there. You know, that's what you're after here. The vinyl's getting a little old, so you have to watch out when it's oxidizing. And you can see I didn't get any pressure washing marks on there. Got to stay back. Chlorinate and rinse. Collect your money and then go. I'm Don from Super Blast. Get after it. All right, how's everybody doing today? Don here. Job number 4. Pretty big driveway, sidewalk all the way down to where it starts to get a little light by that box. Got pretty dark here. All right. Gonna put some downstream on this. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna get after it. Hey, Don here. Let's check this out. I put some regular SH down first, okay? Came out beautiful. Sidewalks look good. All the way down. Okay, the tree stains that were here, I went ahead and applied a 6% to kill the rest of it off. Boy, and it looks really good. Sidewalk. All the way up to the front door. Got the window clean, the door clean. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. We got one more job to go, man. Busy day today. Get after it. We're all scary. This is Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. I have a new customer here. Phyllis, what do you think about Super Blast Pressure Washing today?
Very wonderful job. My sidewalks look like brand new. Very efficient. On time.
There you have it. Proof's always in the pudding, and being on time is very important. Get after it. Okay, here we are. Job number 4. Residential, that is. 5 jobs total today. Here's the driveway. Thing was blacker than black when I got here. I put some 6% on it, loosened it right up. So then I hit all these rock faces with the mix too. So we just got to touch this place up a little bit. They're going to repaint it. It's a flip it. I need to flip this thing out of my way. Dirty screens, probably redo it. Got wood in there they're messing around with. The house clean. I mean, this is not that bad of a job. Worst part was the driveway. Some mold up there. Not too bad. I just hit this rock with the 6%. Gonna be a good job. Made a ton of money today, baby. Get after it. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. Boy, it's been a long day, I tell you. My day started at 3 a.m. when I got up. Even the rig's tired, damn. There's the driveway. House came out really nice. It's a flip it. And I'm flipping tired, so I'm gonna flipping on home. And remember, get after it. How's everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep,
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
try that one out.
Right. Lemony fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man.